Fucking Ryan getting crazy. I told you, dude. I told you. Yeah, back up, dude. Yeah, back up, dude. Yeah, back up.
You can't, dude. I can't move.
Yeah, back up. Fucking Ryan, dude, I tell him to go over there. What's he do? Fucking dumbass. Fucking.
Hey, push it.
Yeah, dude. Dude, we ain't pushing this shit, dude. Fucking, let it go, Ryan! Look what he did. Man, I'm sorry. Dude.
Hey, put some rocks under it, dude.
We gotta push it, dude.
Ryan, dude.
I tell you. What's up, man? Okay.
Crazy.
Here, let me try to reverse it. Then push.